Ready to supercharge your customer engagement by adding contacts directly into Aisensy. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Aisensy account. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, locate the Contacts section. It's usually represented by an icon resembling a small address book or a list of users. Click on the Contacts section. This will take you to the main contact management page within Aisensy. Now, look for the Add Contact button. It's typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page and might be labeled Add Contact, Add, or something similar. Go ahead and click that button. A new form will appear, prompting you to enter the contact details. This form will usually include fields for the contact's name, phone number, email address, and possibly other relevant information like company name or custom fields that you set up in Aisensy. Carefully fill in all the required information. Double-check to ensure the phone number is accurate, as this is crucial for messaging. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, scroll down to the bottom of the form. You'll find a button labeled Save, Create, or something similar. Click this button to save the new contact to your Aisensy contact list. Congratulations! The new contact is now added to your Aisensy account. You can now include them in your marketing campaigns and personalize your communication. They will appear in the list of your contacts. You can find them by searching for their name or phone number. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact in Aisensy.